Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, let us show you how to import and list products from your center store on Facebook. Now you will have 3 common cases when listing products on Facebook. Case 1, you have products on your center store, now you want to list them on Facebook. Case 2, you have products on Facebook, and now you want to import them into center store. Case 3, you have the same products on both center store and Facebook and you want to link them together. In the first case, after successfully connecting to your center store and sale channels, LitCommerce will automatically import your product lists to the central dashboard. To list products faster, you need to set up your listing template. A template is a set of attributes for listings on a specific sale channel that is used for quickly creating or editing product listings. In case you make changes to a template, it will automatically be updated to your applied listings. Here's how to create a template. Go to your Facebook shop from the left sidebar menu. Click on Listing Template or Recipes. On the left panel, you can see your integrated channels. Each has its own set of templates. To add a new template, click on Add New Template. On the right of the screen, each of the templates will require you to add different information to complete. You can fill in the template name for easy reference later on. If you choose the template as default, it will be automatically applied every time you create new draft listings on that channel. Default templates will be marked with the character D. Go to Facebook Channel Setting. Choose the product catalog that you want to list products on. Now go to All Products on your center store. Select the items you want to list on Facebook. Click on Select Section, then list products to channels. After that, check the box next to your Facebook store. Finally, click Add as Draft Now. And it is time to edit your listings before publishing them on Facebook. You will need to fill in all your product information, such as title, images, category, variation identifiers, and shipping. Complete that step and your listing is now ready to publish on Facebook. Click Save and Publish to Facebook. Switch to your Facebook store. You will see the product in the Items section. On the next case, you already have listings on Facebook and you want to list them on your center store. To do this, you need to have Auto Import turned on. Go to Setting, toggle the button next to Auto Import New Product from Shopify to LitCommerce. Now, go to Facebook Channel on the left sidebar menu. Click on Import from Facebook. You will have some options here. Auto-link products from these imported listings. Re-import all deleted products or include inactive listings. Click Begin Import. Now, check the box next to the product you want to list on Shopify. Click on Select Action, then Create on Shopify. Wait a second, check back on the Shopify All Products, and you can see the product appear on the list. The last case is you want to link the product. The unlinked listing will be colored red. All you need to do is select the product with the same SKU. The red icon is now changed to blue. Actually, once you import Facebook products, you have the option to auto-link product SKU. Now you need to enable Inventory Sync. Select Channel Settings. Turn on Sync the stock quantities from your center store to this channel, and your linked products will be automatically synced. So far, so good. You've successfully listed your products to your Facebook store. Happy selling!